Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing Frankfort Street, or in this case, in my videos, Frankfurt or Fork Street. Now, before we go on, guys, let me show you where I am. That City Hall back there, and this here street is Frankfort Street. And the middle lane there is going up to the Brooklyn Bridge, heading towards the Brooklyn. And right in front of me is the famous Pace University, teaching and learning one pace at a time. So let me see, and we have here Park Row Civic Center. This is just like the map from around this area. Now before we leave, guys, this street in particular has only one way, guys. There's no ways, because I'll show you later on, as we go on the other side, Frankfort Street does not have a second side. It's only one side. So right now we're going to be heading, guys, towards east. So again, guys, this does not have a second side. It's only one side, and we start the journey now. By the way, that's my other flag up there. Today's supposed to be about 89 degrees. Humidity will be low though, so it's not that bad. But again, this street does not have a secondary side, guys. So like for instance, for here, on the other side there is none. So this will be only one take only, from west to east. Oh, and one more thing, guys. So basically this street has two names, Frankfort Street, and also it's also Park Row. So this street here, guys, is combined together, and I'll show you in a few minutes. So this is Park Row Street and also Frankfort Street, and I'll show you in a few minutes. So as you can see, as we keep going on, guys, so we're gonna end up at east back there, and this is the Brooklyn Bridge City Hall station. Now again, this street has two names at the same time, Park Row Street and Frankfort Street. I'm gonna show you where they divide it right now. So if we go on, see, that becomes Park Row, and this stays Frankfort Video, straight towards the east back there. So from here, right here in this divider, let me show you, hold on. Let's go to the midpoint, see? So right here, down there, guys, we see that white line? So from back there, they're combined, they're merged together, Park Row Street, Frankfort Street. But here, Park Row starts going back there, towards north, and this one is Frankfort Street, heading east again, guys. Again, I'm only gonna take one take, and this crazy sculpture here, I don't know what it is, but it's some sort of sculpture. Check it out for yourselves, guys. And again, this is part of Pace University, teaching and learning one pace at a time. And now we go here, guys, and we got a couple of signs here. See, that bus went straight through Frankfort Street, and this other bus goes through the Park Row Street. Well, this one keeps going down by this street here. Let me show you guys here. See, so all these interceptions are going towards Brooklyn right now. See, Pace University. And again, guys, I'm gonna be doing this as a one take, guys, because this is the only street in this side. The other street is different. Let me show you guys the park around here. This is really cool, man. Let me show you. And this is called Dramgoule Plaza. Sounds French. Dramgoule Plaza. See? Also Dramgoule Square. So we keep going towards east. Now, guys, I could do a second part, which is that street, guys. But again, it's a separate street, guys, because usually this will go on the other side. You see what? It goes up to the bridge, and the other side it will be the second part. But since that's not the case, I may actually come back here and just go around here, guys. But again, it's gonna be the same street, but with a very awkward side. Again, from Goulet Plaza. Noisemaker. And Frankfort Street, guys, is gonna finish at Pearl Street, guys. And by the way, I already uploaded Pearl Street. See, coming up at Frankfort Street or Frankfurter 4th Street. And this is Gold Street, guys. This is Gold Street. Notice how Gold Street has two streets, guys. This is Gold Street 1, and that is Gold Street number 2 back there. See, it's got 2. It divides back there, guys. Let me show you. You know how I like to do my videos, guys. So, you see the divider back there? So that's whichever way you're coming. So, Gold Street 1, Gold Street 2. So technically, that's a Gold 100. So basically, I'll probably go through there, guys. That was not the option, guys. But see, it's different. It's different, guys. See here, you see, all this is solid sidewalk. Up there is very massive, but it's not where you see a lot of people going through, guys. So I was thinking about doing a one take, but now that I'm seeing this, now that I'm seeing all this, guys, I'm gonna go down there and just work my way back there. But it's not gonna end in the same place, guys. It's not. Because as soon as we go back there, it's going to meet up with Park Row, and that's where I'm gonna end the video. Just so you can see what's around here, guys. What's around here? All this here. And again, Frankfurter 4th video Street is not gonna finish here, guys. It's not long. It's not long. It's only about 3 blocks long. But again, last night I was looking at the map and I'm like, there's no second side to this. And there is second side, but that's not an actual official sidewalk, guys. Because you notice, that's where you have all the bridges going up there, which is not a regular pedestrian thing, you know? It looks like the sun wants to peek out. It's supposed to be 89 today, guys. So the sun might actually come out. I got my mini umbrella just in case it comes out. Okay, guys, so as you notice, we're coming to the end of Frankfurter 4th Street. So now I'm gonna do a 180 and head back the opposite way again. See? And guys, today I'm gonna do a couple of streets, maybe 5. I'm gonna show you 2 of them. The next one and then the next one after that. These streets are so weird, guys. I'm gonna show you how and why. So coming up at Frankfurter 4th Street, Pearl Street. Now we go on the other side. And this is where this street finishes right here. Because Dover is back there. So that's another street. And by the way, Dover Street, I already did it. Whoa, that's a nice truck, man. That's a nice truck. King. Oh, no, it says K-I-G. I thought it said King. You see the other side? The other side is different with another name. I think it's Wagner or something, guys. But again, not all streets in New York are the same. Not all. And now we head back west again. Look here, and as you can see, I'm near a street that goes up to the bridge up to Brooklyn, guys. You can see there's no pedestrians in here, guys. No pedestrians. So you know what? It wasn't such a bad idea. So let's say this. So basically this street, that's a regular pedestrian path, guys. Regular pedestrian. Here, but here, as you can see, it's different. There's no buildings, no businesses, not even parks. It's just the pure, the structures of these bridges here going towards Brooklyn. And I'm gonna do a 180 here, guys, as you can see. Now, you see this street here, guys? I'm gonna show you what the street is and where it's coming from. That back there, that street, is gonna be really different, guys. So now, let me just give you a little view where I am right now. Again, this is Frankfort Street. And I'm gonna give you a little about that street back there, guys. That's what next street we're gonna be doing. And check this out, guys. Do you see anybody? Nope. Now, if you notice, there are some buildings in here, but I'm thinking that they're like for the these here. These are under the bridge, guys, literally. So these are like maybe people that work here, maintenance workers, stuff like that, you know. Offices, maybe, I don't know. And check out the windows, guys. Or maybe that could be some sort of not a factory, but you know, where they keep like a big storage or whatever. See? So again, this street, last night I thought, okay, I'm only gonna do one take from west to east, but as you can see now I'm doing the other side. But this other side is really different, guys. I like the way they put the rocks in here, guys. It's really cool, man. Gives it a more atmospheric rock anthem. And right here, I'm gonna give you again. And back there, if you notice, guys, that's where the skaters go to do their thing. Actually, that's a special place for them, guys. That's a place for them so they can skate. And we'll keep going. And then there's another checkpoint, guys. After 9/11, this is another checkpoint. See now, coming up at Frankfort Street, Rose Street. See? So that street back there is called Gold Street. That starts from here up there. This one is Rose Street. It starts from here up to the north. I don't know how long it is. Maybe about 2 or 3 blocks long, but that's it. See? So you got Frankfort Street, Gold Street, Frankfort Street, and Rose Street. So it's a different, you know, different streets. Gold Street back there and Rose Street back there. So again, you got different streets starting at each intersection. Check out the space back here, guys. They don't want nobody in here for some reason. See, they got a gate. And again, Pace University. Teaching and learning students, one pace at a time. And you see, guys, this is where Frankfort Street is going to end right here, guys. See? Because right here, this is Park Road now. It'll be going up north. And guys, thanks for coming up with me on this journey. Frankfort Street, Park Road. And I'll see you guys somewhere in time. Bye. Oh, by the way, see? That's the ship shifting building, guys. That is the shift shifting building. Check it out. It changes, and there's a sun up there. Bye.